Hey, my name is Jim Ferrari. I'm the chair of the Department of Biology, and I'm also the Arboretum Director at Wesleyan College. My area is biology, so I have an undergraduate degree, a BA in biology from Middlebury College in Vermont. And then for graduate school, I got a PhD in ecology at the University of Minnesota. I've been at Wesleyan for 25 years. And my area of interest, my research expertise, I guess falls under a few categories, but I guess you could summarize that as plants and birds. So I study, or have studied vultures and the migratory behavior of vultures. I have a real interest in fruit-eating birds and seed dispersal by birds. I'm a forest ecologist by training, but I'm more of a bird guy lately. I'm also interested in nocturnal flight calls of migratory birds and making recordings of those flight calls. And then finally, recently, I've been looking at the song structure of a pine wood specialist in the southeast, the Bachman's sparrow. So those are some of my research interests. I guess at Wesleyan, I would say that in the biology department, we have some great opportunities for the students. So, and I would emphasize 3 points. One is that we have a 100-acre arboretum, and so students can learn and do research in the arboretum. I have a lot of my labs out there. So that's one area. We also have study abroad. We've taken students to Costa Rica and to Belize in Central America. And really a big draw for years at Wesleyan has been one-on-one research between students and our faculty. And so we really pride ourselves on getting our students involved in research, then taking them to scientific meetings where they present their results. It's such a confidence builder and a resume builder as well. So employers love that, graduate schools love that, professional schools really like to see that students have been involved in research, even if that's ultimately not what the student wants to do with her career. So Arboretum, study abroad, and research with faculty, I would say, are really big strengths here at Wesleyan. I think it's important to study biology for a couple reasons. One is, and this is not my area, I'm an ecologist, but one area is medicine, and I think biology, the future of medicine lies in understanding biology, and especially at a molecular level and the level of genetics. But I think also that the understanding the workings of the planet, so we can make an analogy with the health of human beings and the health of the planet. So if we understand the physiology of the planet, which is to say ecology, environmental studies, then I think we'll be in a better position to come up with some cures for some of the current ailments that we see in the environment. So to me, human health and the health of the environment are big reasons to study biology. Same thing with environmental studies. I'm also the director of the environmental studies program, and I would say that that's a really booming field, so that should be attractive to students. And there seems to be a lot of interest lately in the environmental studies program here at Wesleyan. I value teaching at a women's college. First of all, I think it was fate that I ended up here. I think the proof is in the pudding, so we could talk about theoretically, why a women's college might be great, but really it comes down to results. And what I see is that our graduates are very confident, they're competent, they've spent 4 years in this amazing incubator of ideas and of leadership opportunities, and then they hatch out as these confident women who know their own minds and are ready to make a change in their communities. Okay, again, my name is Jim Ferrari, and if you'd like to learn more about biology or environmental studies at Wesleyan College, feel free to contact me. You can either email me or give me a call.